Hello and a very warm welcome to all the viewers of cryptoTV. This is Manoj Dara. So let's get started with the top headlines of this evening. India needs a single crypto regulator, says Polygon co-founder. Crypto regulations can stop shift to international bourses, co-founder of CoinSwitch said. Cryptocurrencies fall after Fed chairman rate comment, Bitcoin below $41,000. Elon Musk secures $46.5 billion in funding for Twitter bid. Binance recovers $5.8 million linked to Axie Infinity hack. UK central bank to raise $420 million to up crypto security. Gladiator's Ridley to produce a movie about Ethereum. Filmmaker David Cronenberg sells his kidney stone as an NFT. India needs a single regulator to oversee all crypto-related matters. Those are the words coming in from the Polygon's co-founder Sandeep Nailwal in an interaction with CoinDesk. Nailwal believes that forming a collective authority made up of officials from Reserve Bank of India, Security and Exchange Board of India, GST Council and Finance Ministry would attract companies such as Polygon to open offices in India. The Finance Ministry should be the one leading the task force, and even other institutions should be given a clear mandate that no crypto case shall be handled locally. It should only be handled by the crypto task force, Nailwal said. The current different government or enforcement entities in various parts of the India are actively involved in crypto and each have their own concept of what crypto is, according to Nailwal, who emphasizes the necessity for the single, highly empowered division. According to Ashish Singhal, co-founder and CEO of CoinSwitch, an India-based cryptocurrency exchange, the government needs to regulate cryptocurrency to guarantee the consumers don't shift to peer-to-peer or overseas exchange to avoid paying taxes. Regulations will also ensure the crypto transactions are traceable, as well as address issues such as money laundering via transfers to anonymous crypto wallets, he stated at India Economic Conclave held in Mumbai on Thursday. Singhal also mentioned the exchange although supports the new crypto law, which took effect on April 1st, but that the way the crypto asset class is being treated is unfair, as the 30% tax rate is a bit high when compared to the other asset classes. He further stated that the TDS, which is slated to take effect on July 1st, will prevent investors from accessing their funds. If investors are required to pay 1% TDS on every transactions, their capital will be locked up and their possibility to invest in the markets will be limited. Singhal explained. Cryptocurrency fell after the Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell said that the central bank would move quickly to normalize rates to tamp down inflation. It would say 50 basis points will be on the table for the May meeting, Powell said. US stock futures were lower in the pre-market trading on Friday. Contracts on the S&P 500, Dow Jones Industrial Average and Nasdaq Composite were each down about 0.3% ahead of the open. Treasury yields continued their climb with the 10-year US benchmark at 2.9%, the highest level since December 2018. Shares in Asia Pacific fell with the Nikkei 2025 in Japan leading losses among the region's major markets, declining 1.6% at close. India's benchmark Sensex and Nifty closed lower, tracking global cues. However, lower crude oil prices provided support to the negative sentiment. Both Brent and WTI crude were trading lower by nearly 1%. Bitcoin was recently seen trading at around $40,400, down over 5% in the past 24 hours. Ether, the second biggest cryptocurrency, traded at $3,000, down 5% in a similar time span. All other major altcoins also traded lower, with exception of Tron, which gained nearly 2% after revealing plans for the launch of its algorithmic stablecoin. After the rumors for the market analysts doubting Elon Musk's capability to gather funds for Twitter bid, Musk had finally secured $46.5 billion in funding to buy Twitter Inc. and is considering a tender offer for its shares. A filing with US regulators showed on Thursday. Musk himself have committed to put roughly around $33.5 billion, which also includes $21 billion of equity and $12.5 billion of the margin loans to finance the transaction. SpaceX and Tesla CEO tweeted, "If our Twitter bid succeeds, we will defeat the spam bots or die trying." He added that authenticating all real humans is also part of the plan. To halt a takeover, the board of Twitter planned to activate the poison pill if the Tesla CEO comes to own more than 50% of Twitter. Musk's favorite meme coin Doge remained in red, trading at $0.136, down over 3% in the last 24 hours. Binance, through its CEO and founder Changpeng Zhao, has announced that it has recovered $5.8 million worth of stolen funds originating from the last month's hack against Axie Infinity Bridge, the Ronin network. CZ revealed that the North Korean hacking group Lazarus, believed to be responsible for the audacious attack, has started to move the stolen funds today. Some of the crypto ended up making its way to Binance and was spread across 86 different accounts. Based on market rates at the time, its biggest crypto hack on the record, with more than $625 million going missing. Britain's banking regulator is planning to seek funding from the institution it administers in order to increase its oversight of the crypto industry. The Bank of England's Prudent Regulation Authority plans to raise £321 million with amounts to around $420 million for the year through February 2023. The Bank of England's regulatory arm has already raised $31.6 million for the coming financial year. It said that the costs have increased due to its growing responsibilities and preparation for emerging risk in the financial system. Detailing its business plan for the coming year, the PRA says it will be overseeing the risk that arises from the firms having exposure to or increased level of business with cryptocurrencies. The regulator will also add 100 supervisory risk specialists to its headcount. Ridley Scott, one of the greatest film directors of all time, will be the next celebrity to dive into the cryptocurrency universe by producing The Infinity Machine, a movie about founding the Ethereum network. Camilla Russo's book, The Infinity Machine, which tells about Vitalik Buterin's idea to create Ethereum and following development of the network, is set to become a full-length movie. The Infinity Machine will be directed by Shyam Madhiraju, while Ridley Scott, Tom Moran, Vera Meyer, and Alejandro Miranda will be producers. The Canadian film David Cronenberg is auctioning an image of its recently removed kidney stone as an NFT just in time for the release of its latest movie Crimes of the Future, in competition for the Palme d'Or at Cannes next month. The image, called Inner Beauty, is being sold as a digital token, which is NFT, with a starting bid of equivalent of roughly $30,000 needed to kickstart 24 hours auction. Nobody has yet agreed to pay that price. Cronenberg told his fans in a forum organized by the NFT marketplace Super Rare that inspiration for his kidney stone project came from his 1988 movie Dead Angels, in which Jeremy Irons played twins, both gynecologists. The director won plaudits for its classic horror Scanners 1981 and The Fly 1986. That's it from this evening bulletin. This is Manoj Dara signing off. Thank you so much and keep watching Crypto TV for more interesting news. Thank you.